Hi, welcome to our new topic where you will going to be learn about chrysanthemum flower, its propagation method, and aftercare. About 40 species of flowering plants in the aster family, Asteraceae, belong to the genus Chrysanthemum, which is endemic largely to subtropical and temperate regions of the Old World. Chrysanthemums are particularly widespread in East Asia, where they are frequently portrayed in artwork, and many of them are used as ornaments. Physical characteristics. Chrysanthemum flowers come in a variety of sizes, ranging from 5 to 8 centimeters in diameter. Chrysanthemums are composite flowers that grow in varying petal arrangements, with some types having a daisy-like structure, others having a rounder, pompon-like appearance, and even some blooms with quill-like petals. The blossoms also have varying color, from white and light yellow to deep burgundies and purples. It have a sweet and floral scent with notes of menthol that clear the nasal passages. Chrysanthemum is generally propagated by vegetative method because of economic and easy way of multiplication. It is done either through root suckers or terminal cuttings taken from the mother plants. Method of propagation. Cutting is the most useful and economic way to propagate chrysanthemum. We will discuss about how to make cuttings and its aftercare. If you are interested about gardening, then subscribe our channel for further updates about nursery plants and landscaping videos. Also, you can join upcoming free webinar of nursery video. Cuttings of chrysanthemum can be taken in early spring to early summer from plants already established in the garden. This is an inexpensive way to increase the number of plants in your garden or to share with gardening friends. Steps of cutting. Step 1. Take cuttings when the new shoots are 3 to 5 inches tall. Step 2. Use a sharp knife to take a 2 to 3 inch cutting from the end of the shoot. Step 3. Remove the leaves on the bottom half of the cuttings. Step 4. Insert the cuttings in a flat or pot containing moist perlite or sand. Step 5. Insert the cutting into the perlite or sand up to its first leaves appearance. Step 6. A rooting hormone can be used to speed up root formation. However, roots will form without it. Step 7. Always keep the perlite or sand moist. Chrysanthemum cuttings will root in 3 to 4 weeks. Step 8. When the roots are 1 to 1.5 inches long, remove the cuttings and plant them into small pots containing fresh potting soil or plant them directly into the garden. Step 9. Pinch off the top half inch of the small plant to encourage branching. Step 10. Continue to pinch all shoots in every 2 to 3 weeks until late June. This will produce full mound-shaped plant. Chrysanthemums sometimes become crowded in the garden. The old center portion of the plant die back, and the new growth occurs around the perimeter of the clump. Renovating chrysanthemum clumps every 3 or 4 years will encourage healthy growth, neat plant growth habit, and continued flowering. Aftercare. In spray varieties, terminal buds are pinched to grow side shoots and branch of the basal nodes 2 to 3 weeks after the rooted cuttings are planted. Keep 4 to 5 new shoots growing. To encourage side branching and enhance the quantity of flowers, the main stem is pinched. Standard types just need one blossom. Therefore, pinching is not necessary. Only the terminal bud is preserved, and all side shoots and buds that emerge from the root axis are disbudded. It is simple to break the bud when it reaches pea size. Stake for support. Staking is done to support, contain, and keep the flower spread's beautiful form. strong, split bamboo sticks are used for that purpose. Fertilizer application. Chrysanthemum is a heavy feeder. Fortnight application of NPK 20-20-20 at the rate 2 gram dissolved in 1 liter of water is beneficial. Water application. Chrysanthemums do not tolerate overwatering, which can cause rotting of roots and yellowing of leaves. So, water should be sprayed in limited amount. Disease pest control. Monitor the plants or garden by using a yellow sticky trap. Early removal of infected leaves or plants helps to prevent the further spread of the disease. Be careful of the attack of aphids and hairy caterpillar. Spray malathion 50% EC or Celthion or Scythian at the rate 2 milliliters dissolved in 1 liter of water to overcome this pest's infestation. Severely infected plants become very weak and fail to bloom properly. Spraying the plants with Karatne at the rate 0.0 to 5% or Dulsulf, wettable sulfur at the rate 0.3% is effective in controlling the disease.